9 forecast.
Well, what a beautiful day from start to finish. How about the nice sunrise this morning? Nice reflections there, nice color, a little red sky there at Lake Monticello, that captured by Jerry Eck. And yes, temperatures certainly soared as expected this afternoon. Really the peak of the warmth today. Currently 79 at the airport in Earleysville, touching 82 for the high today. That's 24 degrees above average. Air mass is dry. South to southwesterly winds helping to boost the temperatures up. We do have some high clouds out there. 72 current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 75 for a high today. So yes, it felt like late May, even early June. 73 currently in Louisa, 77 there in Palmyra, 75 in Dillon, 73 in Waynesboro, and 75 currently in Madison. Some high clouds are filtering in from the west, and you'll notice over the last several hours that line of showers and storms through West Virginia weakening, but there was one lone rotating supercell. You can see it right along the Ohio River there. It's in the process of weakening now near the Huntington, West Virginia area. That had a history of producing plenty of hail in association with it, and it was tornado warned for a while. A lot of action farther to our west. We'll talk about that in a moment. Temperatures here overnight for most of us in the middle to some upper 50s with partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are still warm tomorrow, but not as warm as today, so they come back down into the mid 70s for most locations. Yes, we could see a shower at just about any time during the day, but we're not expecting widespread soaking rainfall. We get into the afternoon, there may be an isolated storm, but we're not looking at a whole lot of rain. Pretty paltry amounts. Unless a thunderstorm really gets going and sets right over you, most locations will be well under a quarter of an inch. But it will be a little bit of an unsettled day. The front will come through Friday night. Temperatures do come down here for the weekend, but for the St. Patrick's Day weekend, we're talking about numbers in the 60s, which is still above average here for mid-March. The cool down arrives on Monday and early next week. A dry cold front will sweep through Sunday night. That will kick up the wind, and you'll feel the effects of below average temperatures as we get into Monday. And of course, Tuesday night is the spring equinox, so it will feel a lot cooler for spring official arrival. So you can see some of the clouds working eastbound, and look at all the tornado watch boxes for areas like Columbus and Cincinnati and Terre Haute and Indianapolis down towards St. Louis and back into Texas and Arkansas. And yes, this is very active weather here. Lots of hail, tornado reports. This system will weaken as it crosses the mountains for us. But yeah, that contrast in temperatures digging out from the heavy snow across the front range of the Rockies. 32 right now in Denver, 77 in Oklahoma City, 80 in Atlanta. So yeah, there'll be more showers and storms, but farther to our south tomorrow, we'll see a few. This ridge begins to break down, and the jet stream shows a trough digging in, and we'll feel the effects of that as we get into early next week. So below average temperatures, we'll have morning lows down in the 20s and 30s. How about that for spring? Of course, it's early yet by any means. So here we are in the morning. There could be a stray shower. We'll have a lot of clouds around. A shower or storm can't be ruled out during the afternoon. We're in the 70s. That front sweeps through. We dry out into Saturday. We'll start in the 40s. Afternoon high Saturday afternoon in the 60s. Here we are tonight, partly cloudy in the 50s. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures backing down here now as we move into the weekend. It will be breezy, if not some gusty winds as we get into Sunday night, certainly Monday. Temperatures again on the cool side. Valley locations will be in the 40s, and those morning lows, as mentioned, in the 20s and 30s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.